Hello everyone. Today is Friday. Today is a Lego day. And we'll build a new Lego set together. But before we start, I want to congratulate our last week winner who received this amazing and colorful Hey Hey set from Lego Disney Collaboration. And here's our Lego set for today. We have here this donut truck from Lego City. The set number is 60452 and it's recommended for 5 plus years old. So let's open it and start building. So we have here 2 bags of Lego pieces and 2 instruction manuals and this big piece. We're wrapping up our time with this lovely donut truck. This playset is packed with goodies like coffee machine, cash register, and rotating donut sign. Plus, there are vendor and customer minifigures to add to the fun. I had a blast putting this amazing set together. And guess what? The donut truck set is also for giveaway. You can find the all giveaway details and rules in the video description managed by my parents. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.